Leede's DB2 rigid PVC conduit is designed to deliver the highest level of protection for electrical and communication systems. Leede's offers a full range of sizes from 2-inch to 6-inch, with colors in gray, orange, black, white, provides length in 10 feet or 20 feet. Leede's DB2 rigid PVC conduit is CSA certified. The conduit made of high-grade quality PVC material with great fire-resistant, impact-resistant, and compression-resistant. It's also non-conductive and concrete-tight, ensuring that the wires and cable are safe and secure even in the harshest environments. Leede's DB2 rigid PVC conduit is intended for use in concrete encased or masonry or direct burial applications. As for packaging, Leede's provides 2 ways, packaged in pallets or in bundles, or can be customized according to different requirements. For lead time, Leede's has cell-phone warehouses, provides a faster delivery. Whether in commercial or residential projects, Leede's DB2 rigid PVC conduit from Leede's, always a good solution for all of your electrical conduit needs. Leede's, lead the safer electrical conduit systems.